Life is all about
having fun.
Ay, pope. Sorry.
So we're going back to Singapore. Last time I was there, I was 10 years ago.
Where are you going, Raya?
We're on our way to surprise Claude. And he doesn't know. Look here.
Ladies and gentlemen, as the aircraft is being refueled, please remain seated with your seatbelt unfastened.
Are you excited?
I am.
You're finally gonna meet Tita Suzette for the first time.
All other electronic.
Yeah. Parang laging Pasko sa Singapore. Daming mga lights. Ha? No, pasa.
Ay nitang karikulang na. Bakit?
Where is it? Wait, madadaanan natin.
Meron bang alala yung kalapit na?
Yung Bereda? Yung condo? Yung Hotel Tamo?
Ayun na.
Apining ka rin.
Ay, hindi ko tenta mo.
Aping Hotel Tamo? Diyos ko naman, kalapit na. Bakit nakatakan yun? Yung surprise tamo. We're here. Thank you. Mama. Surprise na namin si Claude. Ito kami sa condo. Sa birthday niya bukas. Hindi niya alam. Kasama si Raya. So, ang accomplish is... Sino kasi accomplish natin niya?
Hello. Oh yes. Yes.
Buksan mo daw yung ano.
Anong binabukas?
Oo, ma'am.
Ano to?
Pabuksan ni ko kasi importante yan.
Sige, wait.
Hindi kong tingnan yung... Nauna ni ko. Parang siya dahan-dahan ka.
Kuha ka na ano.
Kumuha lang akong mic.
Baka may fragile dyan. Dahan-dahan kang magtusok ha.
Oo.
Akin na yan.
Hindi ko makita. Anong ginagawa mo dito?
Hindi niya ako nakita sa ano, kusina.
Feeling mo, kunyari ka pa.
Nagpunta, sabi ko baka pupunta sa sa kitchen. Nandun ako sa dulo, nakayuko ako.
Kakaligo ko.
Nakayuko ako.
Asim ko pa mo kanina.
Surprise! Surprise! Oh my goodness!
Hindi niya napansin yung ano, nag-set up po ako. Fit check. Outfit check. Wow.
Where are we going?
Orchard.
Wait, let's see.
Hi, ganda.
Ito dito paggabi.
Club Street. Where's that? What is that?
Station.
Ah, train station.
Dito tayo kumain. Dito sa in the middle.
Ito, meron ko yung nila kasi nag-close doon.
Ganda nun. Yun ang gusto ko.
Ngayon lang po ulit nag-open lang.
Bakit?
Nag-ano pa, close na po for
Ayun, ganda.
years.
Hindi naman ganyan color na nila. Dati. Hindi siya color.
Recent lang po yung mga colors. Wala pa po yata 2 months.
Happy.
Masarap ng pancetta.
Hi! Alden!
Yeah, last na lang.
Where are we? September.
Ito ba yung espresso? So,
Wait. Yan. Ba't walang latte art ng mukha mo?
Latte art ay.
Happy ka man? Of course. Ikaw, happy ka?
Napilit.
So we had brunch and we're going to see our charts. Biyahe ni Trish.
Ha? Ha? Ah. Mama. Doon na lang sa Dobie Gog natin. Kaya mag-walk. buying groceries for dinner.
It looks very beautiful on the
I know. I love the color of the building. Huh?
I love the design of the window.
Ah, yeah.
Fun.
Thank you. Raya. Hello.
Nice to meet you. Asante. Asante. Bourguignon, tartatin, tartiflette, French food.
Dylan, mange bien. Assieds-toi bien.
Assieds-toi bien.
Assieds-toi bien.
You like?
I like it. It's so busy. So the daughter is also talking. Yeah. And the son,
Yeah.
the son who's working in Canada will fly from Canada to Manila.
Wow.
And then from Manila, they'll go straight to this one. No. From Canada, go straight to Manila. Yeah, he's working there in
Long trip.
Canada. Yeah.
Sawa na kayo.
Thank you. Pero ka mga fire. Ayan, si Claude.
Fire!
Sabi ko na kay Claude.
Okay na po ba?
Go ahead.
So what's the liqueur?
Romani. It's super sick.
Ooh la la.
Lala. Oh, lala. Magnific.
Well done.
Magnific. Yes,
Galing naman ng serve.
5 star.
5 star.
5 stars.
Okay. This one first. I want with dressing.
The burrito. That's happy.
Wait.
How do you open?
Iyak na yan.
Ano may dala-dala sis?
Umiiyak ka.
Diba? Binibidyo.
Are you crying? Superman yung ano.
May theme song. Paka-open mo.
Oh! Ang cute!
Ang ganda naman ito.
Ang cute! Walang kiss.
Walang kiss? Ay!
Cheers.
Cheers! Thank you so much.
I already finished mine.
Ah, you
This
can
is
cheers. And then here,
This is a cellar. That's for a party. A wine tasting area.
Wine lounge.
wine lounge.
Cheers.
Happy birthday.
Wait, 4 more minutes.
1 minute.
1 minute.
Wait, 1 minute. They're officially 25.
Is it this? Are you in shop right now? Or pyjama? Yes.
Slowly, slowly. Otherwise, you will sleep on the sofa.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday
to you, Lord. Happy birthday to you.
Hooray!
Good job. Cheers, happy birthday. Manyak.
Just a little.
Oh, not enough. Not enough.
That's mine.
We have to open another bottle.
It's like a perfume bottle.
It's the opposite. People who are drunk, they sleep well. I'm awake all night.
Yeah.
I need to drink more water. Just
Good. Yeah, I tried to.